good morning from Los Angeles International Airport. As you can see by the title of this video today, I'm on a flight heading to Korea. I'm currently in the Star Alliance lounge right now, having a little breakfast. As you can see, got some nachos, eggs, bacon. I'm gonna be eating now, as you can see, and I also got a glass of apple juice. That food is good. If you're ever at LAX, make sure to check out the Star Alliance lounge. They serve pretty much the best food here. So good. As you can see, it's pretty early in the morning right now, so there's not that many people here, which is great. So yeah, this is an amazing breakfast that I'm having right now. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and we're gonna check out the rest of the lounge later. So as you guys know, one of my favorite parts of the Star Alliance lounge is the outdoor terrace. But as you can see right now, the outdoor terrace is actually closed off, as you can tell by this caution barrier. But yeah, if you guys watch my other videos on the channel where I went to the Star Alliance lounge, you guys can see what the outdoor terrace looks like. But yeah, I can't go outside right now because this caution barrier is currently blocking it. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna check out you guys. So I just asked one of the employees here at the Star Alliance lounge like what time the outdoor terrace opens. She said she's gonna go check to see if they're finished cleaning it, so I guess they're doing quick cleaning right now of the outdoor terrace, so we're just gonna wait until she comes back. Okay, well, anyways, so the lady, she just came back and told me that like the outdoor terrace should be open in about 15 minutes because it's still pretty wet out there, as you can see, like right here. I'm gonna try and zoom through the window. Yeah, it's kind of wet out there still, but she said it should be open in 15 minutes, which is great. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna wait 15 minutes. So as you guys can see, the outdoor terrace is still pretty much wet, so I guess we won't be going to the outdoor terrace today. And plus, boarding of my flight is in like 20 minutes, so basically, wait, what happened to all the departures? There's only one flight. Hold on, let me go to the other departures board. So yeah, boarding's in like 20 minutes. Right now it's currently about 10 o'clock, and boarding starts at 10:20. Yeah, so yeah, my flight departs at 11, but boarding starts at 10:20 according to my Asiana Airlines app. So anyways, yeah, I might as well start heading downstairs right now to the gate. Luckily, the gate is just right next to the lounge, so yeah, I'm gonna start heading down there right now. Okay guys, so this is the outdoor terrace. As you guys can see, they just opened it up. This is one of my favorite parts. As you can see, there's an Aeromexico 787 parked outside. We also got some Delta Airlines flights over there at those gates. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And of course, you got the beautiful bonfires and stuff out here. It's one of my favorite parts of LAX. Favorite lounges because of this outdoor terrace. And plus, over here, you guys can also have some barbecues, which is cool. But yeah, this is what it looks like outside. Aeromexico flight, and then you have United Airlines 787 landing. All right, I'm gonna head to my flight now because I think it's boarding. So as you guys can see, we are here at gate 148 at LAX. This is my Asiana Airlines flight. We're departing out of gate 148 today. All right, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead. As you can see, our flight to Korea today is on an Airbus A380. Look at that, it's a beautiful looking aircraft. Yeah, I'm excited to fly on this thing. Look at that, wow. as you guys can see, we are here on the A380 now. I'm in C53A in economy. So as you guys can see, I got a beautiful view of the wing outside the window. And this flight has some amenities for us. As you guys can see, you got amenity kit. I'll review this later when we get in the air. We got a pillow here, and we got a blanket. Yeah, and it's perfect. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna wait, and look at that. As you guys can see, we got a TV remote here to control this. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and then wipe down the seat real quick. Alright guys, so another thing different about this airline than most airlines is that they have this little cool like footrest under the seat, which is nice. Yeah, it's pretty unique actually. I've never seen this on an airline, but yeah, it's awesome. Anyways, let's review the amenity kit. Alright, so as you guys can see, you got this beautiful little bag, Asiana Airlines. Let's go ahead and then pull it out. Okay, as you guys can see, we got a pair of slippers. We got a toothbrush with toothpaste. What else do we have in here? That's pretty much all of it. Yeah. Wow. I love to wear these slippers on the plane. These look really comfortable, actually. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the safety card for the Airbus A380. Yeah, so basically, yeah, this is the safety card. Yep. And you also have a waist bag over here, just in case you need it. Anyways, and you have headphones. Oh wow, so you could just plug it in here and watch a movie. Yeah, wow. Got some awesome amenities, and you got alcohol you can order on board. And what else is there in this pouch? Looks like some magazines for Korea and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff. Alright guys, so my impressions on the legroom, I'm actually impressed. This is a lot of legroom here. I actually love being on the A380. There's so much legroom than I originally thought, actually. Alright, so anyways, yeah, we're just gonna wait for the plane to push back. I got an awesome view of the wing here today. Anyways, there's gonna be food on the flight as well, so I'm excited to eat it. So anyways, we're just gonna wait for everyone to finish boarding first, and then we'll depart. Guys, so now we're in the air now. As you guys can see, we are at 15,000 feet. We just departed LAX about 10 minutes ago, and as you guys can see, I got some more amenities. So as you guys can see right here, I got an eye mask, and I also got some earplugs here on the flight, just in case it gets loud for some of you. That's why they have it, but I'm okay with the sound of planes. But yeah, that's the eye mask. I'm gonna test this out later, eventually, but yeah. It's my first time flying Asiana Airlines, and I'm pretty impressed with them so far. It's awesome. Alright guys, the food's finally here. Looks like it's a steamed chicken with rice and what is this? Cucumber? No, zucchini. It looks like zucchini or cucumbers. I don't know what this is, but it looks good. And looks like this, we got like a, I'm guessing this is gochujang. I don't know what this is, but anyways, I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, so it's actually pretty good. By the way, this is actually tomato sauce. It's not gochujang. It's actually really good. I wonder what this is. I'm gonna try this out. Yep, it's zucchini. It's definitely zucchini. It's actually pretty good. Looks like they also got mini salad over here. The pineapples, looks like, and some crackers. Okay. But yeah, this is absolutely delicious. Sauce on the chicken is really good. That tomato sauce on the chicken goes really well. It's really good. Alright, I'm gonna finish this up. Oh, this chicken's pretty tender though. It's like, just trying to cut into this, it's gonna take a little bit of some effort. Alright, I got it. But to be honest, it's actually not that bad. It's actually really good. I'll give it like a solid 9 out of 10. That's perfect. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, they also have a butter spread for these crackers. So I'm gonna go ahead and then eat these crackers with the butter spread. Alright guys, so I pretty much finished my meal. So anyways, now the drinks have arrived, and I got a Coke Zero, just like I normally do on most flights. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. We're at 483 knots, flying above the ocean. Oh, something not. Alright, you guys can see I got some ice for my drink. As you guys can see here for the seat back entertainment on Asiana Airlines, you have a lot of Korean stuff, Korean dramas, K-pop. Like, this is everything you need to get into the vibe of Korea, which is nice. And plus, they have some of my favorite K-pop songs here. Also, with the headphones, I couldn't find the place on the screen to plug in the headphones. And I found out that the outlet for the headphones are actually right here on the seat. As you can see, I have them plugged in right here. So yeah, that's another thing interesting about this airline that I didn't know about. And yeah, it's really unique. So I just wanted to point that out. Anyways, I'm gonna be probably getting some sleep and chilling out on this flight as we make our way to Korea, and I will see you once we get closer. Alright guys, so we still have about 10 more hours left to go to Korea. So as you guys can see, I set up my blanket So I'm gonna be getting some sleep for the next 10 hours as we fly. The blanket on this flight is actually pretty comfortable. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep before we land in Korea. Alright guys, I just woke up about 6 hours and 14 minutes before we land in Korea, and for a little snack they gave me a sandwich, as you guys can see, with tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce. There's no meat in this, which is kind of interesting because I never had a sandwich with no meat before. So I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how it tastes. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, so this sandwich here, it's pretty much just vegetables and mayonnaise, but to be honest, it's actually not that bad. I'll give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. Seems like something good to have if there's nothing else available. This is the best thing you can get. We're currently 6 hours and 11 minutes, as you can see, from Korea. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna explore the entertainment screen a little bit more. Alright guys, we are now 2 hours and 18 minutes away from Korea, and I just got an orange juice. The crew was coming around with drinks again, and I opted for an orange juice this time. I guess this is our pre-arrival beverages. So anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this, and yeah, I'll see you once. Alright guys, we are an hour and 53 minutes away from Korea. As you can see, our second meal on this flight is served. This is broccoli with fish and rice. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try it now and see what this is. It's actually pretty good. Fish is actually pretty good, guys. It's pretty good. Rice. It's pretty good. Alright guys, so we are about an hour and 50 minutes away from Korea, and our second meal is served. As you can see, it's a broccoli with fish and rice. And I just tried some of it. It's actually pretty good. So it's like really It's truly delicious, actually, on this flight. It's really good. Alright, so anyways, my rating of this is probably going to be also a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. This is all on point right here. It's really good. Alright guys, so the food was good, and they also gave us some more crackers. Just like the other meal, and we got another salad and some more fruit. This time looks like it's oranges and I guess honeydew. I'm not sure, but no other way to find out than try it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we just made some progress over Japan, and we just have this much left to go, and then we'll be here in Korea. So anyways, as you guys can see, I just finished my meal. It was absolutely delicious, and yeah, I can't wait to land in Korea for the first time.